Hello, my name is Carlos Bernal, a student of Electronics Engineering. Today I'm going to present my activity number 4. First of all, I'm going to read the letter that I wrote to Lafayette Textile here in Bogota, and it says like this: Calle 159, number 5469, Tower 5, department number 404, Bogota, Colombia. Bogota, 11th of March 2021. Textiles Lafayette, Calle 15, number 7295, Bogota, Colombia. Dear Sir or Madam, I'm writing you this letter to express my concern due to the way your company is contributing with the pollution of the beautiful city. Was a day when I was driving my car going to my work when I saw how your company was damaged. A wonderful day. That day we had an amazing day, pretty sunny, but while you were processing its textiles, our wonderful sky became a dark sky and the sun did not shine anymore that day. If for that reason, we need to create a new ways to process its textiles, avoiding or reducing the pollution created by your company. This must be in a short term, less than 6 months. If within next 6 months you do not apply new ways to do it, I will be forced to take a legal action. Best regards, Carlos Bernal. Now we have the following question: how does this company contribute to pollution in our world? The textile industry is the second most polluting on the planet. They use a large amount of chemicals and water during the manufacture of clothing, causing a great environmental impact and an excessive generation of global carbon emission. This is due to they use big boilers that use a natural gas, and this emits a lot of pollution to the sky. And now we have: what opinion and demands did you express in the formal letter sent to them? I demand that they need to create new ways to process its textiles, avoiding or reducing the pollution created by Lafayette, and this must be in a short term, I mean less than 6 months. Now we have the following question. So we provide an ecological solution to the problem of this company, and will express how this impacts the environment in a positive way. So Lafayette installed a coal boiler with all necessary control equipment to avoid the contamination of the environment in such a way that it acquired they acquire the most technified combustion control system with a multi-cyclone that use bags filters to retain the material particulate, consuming one of the fuel with the largest supply in Colombia, that is the mineral coal, finding another option to have a production as clean or more than natural gas. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.